friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a 8K video playback test in the Honor 9X device versus the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So if you're watching first time this channel, friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description also for the playlist of both the smartphones, friends. Even you can find plenty of other playlists as well for the best wallpapers of the week and lot of other very important applications, friends, which you can try in your device. So do check the links in description, friends, for that. So as you can see, friends, right now I'm using the Honor 9X device, so which is Honor 9X, and here is the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, friends. So right now I'm playing the 8K video footage in both the phones. So let me start from the beginning at same time. So as you can see, friends, I am with the full brightness. So let me explain the display properties. The Honor 9X has the 6.5 inches LTPS IPS LCD panel, friends. So whereas the Redmi Note 8 Pro has just IPS LCD panel, so there is not much change. But when you compare both displays side by side, the Honor 9X has quite a little bit of advantage. So which has a LTPS IPS panel, friends. So which makes colors to look little bit more saturated, little bit, not that much. But when you compare IPS versus LTPS, then definitely Honor 9X can be little bit stood out. So the color can be little bit of high saturated. So let me try to bring close to the camera so you can see. So as you can see, friends, clearly in the Honor 9X device, the 8K video footage was playing a little bit faster. So if you observe, friends, the Redmi Note 8 Pro footage is a little bit slow, so there is a little bit of delay. So in this way you will get to know whether 8K video footage is actually playing or not. So right now I'm playing the 8K video footage and it's little bit playable, friends. There is no problem at all while playing the video. So usually in the mid-range mobile phones, the 8K video footage will get stuck or pause and only audio will be playing, but this is not the case here. The video is actually playing, friends, but little bit kind of delay and lag. But overall, when you compare side by side, Honor 9X has a little bit of advantage, friends. So let me try to start again from the beginning. So you'll notice the difference, which phone is going smoother and like a little bit faster. So meanwhile, friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description also for the playlist of full in detail reviews. So if you notice, friends, the Honor 9X is slightly faster right now and it increases with the time as well. So now it's time to show you the properties of the video. So let me try to show you the properties, friends. So what is the resolution and what FPS it is. So you can clearly see, friends, 7680, 7680 and 29.9, so 30 FPS, 30 frame rates per second video, friends. These are. So overall, friends, this is a quick comparison of 8K video playback test, and both the phones are not that playing very smooth the video, but if you compare this side by side, then definitely Honor 9X has advantage than the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, friends. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. Don't forget to check the links in description if you want to know what wallpaper I am using in my devices. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.